Good morning, children. I welcome you all to the next video of class 12th accountancy. We have started with the chapter fundamentals and this is the sixth part and we are going to conclude the chapter in this video. We are going to do both the questions, that is 67 and 68. 67 is in the absence of partnership deed and question number 68 is regarding the guarantee of minimum share of profit. So first we are going to solve question number 67. In the absence of partnership deed, what we are going to do in the question, they have given interest on drawing also, interest on capital also, salary and interest on loan at the rate of 15%. But when what they are saying, they do not have any partnership deed. When they do not have any partnership deed, should be accepted. In case you don't advise him to accept it, then what? Redraw it. So we are going to redraw it first of all. Interest on capital is provided, that will not be given because it is partnership deed is not there. Interest on drawing will also not be given. Then salary to A will not be taken to PLN appropriation account. Okay. Only interest on loan will be provided, that is interest on A's loan. That also they have given at the rate of 15% per annum. But when the partnership deed is not there, it will be provided at 6% per annum. So profit is this, that is 1,08,300. From this you will subtract interest on loan at the rate of 6%. It will become 1,200. So this is the amount that you are going to divide equally between A and B. Why? Because they have not mentioned any profit sharing ratio. So it will be equal. Okay. Now we move ahead to the next question. Question number 68. That is, I have already shown you guarantee of minimum share of profit. So what is this? A, B and C are sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 4/7, 2/7 and 1/7. It being provided that no year C share shall less than be 1,80,000. Okay. Profit ending on 31st March 2016 is 10,50,000. You are required to show the appropriation of profit between the partners. Now what you are going to do? First of all, you are going to divide this 10,50,000 in the ratio of their profit sharing ratio. That is 4:7, 2:7 and 1:7. 10,50,000 it will become 6 lakhs for A. It will become 3 lakhs for B and it will become 1,50,000 for C. Now what they are saying, that C share shall not less than be 1,80,000. So from 180 you will subtract this 1,50,000. So what you are going to get? You are going to get the excess of 30,000. That is to be borne between A and B. Okay, and that will be borne in the ratio of 4:2. Why 4:2? Because the profit sharing ratio is 4:2:1. So C has already been given 1,80,000. So the remaining share remains 4:2 or 2:1 also. So this 30,000 will be divided A 30,000 into 4/6 and that is B 30,000 into 2/6. For A it will become 20,000 and for B it will become 10,000. Now this is to be divided and now we are going to prepare PLN appropriation account. Now what we are going to do? We are going to prepare PLN appropriation account. The profit they have already given 10,50,000, that you are going to show it over here. Now it will be divided among the partners. A 6 lakhs was the profit that he was to get, but now he have to bear 20,000, that will be subtracted from his share. So we are going to get 5,80,000. Now B, earlier he was to get 3 lakhs. Now 10,000 will be subtracted from his share because he have to bear it. So it will become 2,90,000. For C, it will become 1,80,000 as it is already mentioned. So both that side total becomes same. Now we move ahead to one more complex question. Question number 72 that I am going to show you. This is question number 72. This is the continuing part of the question. Now first of all, let me explain you the question. What they are saying, A, B, C are partners sharing in the ratio of 3:2:1. And their capitals on 1st April were 5 lakh, 3 lakh and 2 lakh. A has personally guaranteed that in any case C's share of profit after allowing interest on capital to all the partners at the rate of 8% per annum and charging interest on drawing at the rate of 10% per annum will not be less than 1 lakh. Okay. Now, the net profit for the year ended 31st March 2018 before allowing or charging any interest amounted to 4,32,000. Now what they have given? A has withdrawn 5,000 at the end of every month. B has withdrawn 15,000 at the end of every quarter. And C has withdrawn 60,000 during the year. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year 17-18. Now what you are going to do? First of all, you need to calculate interest on drawing. Now A has done 5,000 withdrawn at the end of every month. I have already told you how to calculate interest on drawings when equal amount of drawing are being made at the end of every month. So 5,000 into 12, it will be for the entire, then 5.5 upon 12 and at the rate of 10%. So it will become 2750. Then we move ahead to B's drawing. What it is said that B has withdrawn 15,000 at the end of each quarter. So we are going to multiply by 4 for the entire year. Then into 4.5 upon 12 into 10%. That will come 2250. Okay. Then for C, what they are saying that C has withdrawn 60,000 during the year. So 60,000, 10% for 6 months. That will come to 3,000. Now we move ahead to the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. Already they have given that the profit is 4,32,000. Okay. In that you are going to add this total amount, that is interest on drawings. That was 2750, 2250 and 3,000. It will come to 8,000. Okay. It will become 4,40,000. And from that you are going to subtract what? The interest on capital. Interest on capital is to be provided to A, B and C. What they are saying? Interest is to be allowed on capital at the rate of 8%. Now 8%, first of all for A, 5 lakhs at the rate of 8%. It will come as 40,000. For B, 3 lakhs at the rate of 8%. It will be this amount. Then C at the rate of the amount is 2 lakhs and at the rate of 8% it will become this. So the total of this amount becomes this. Okay. So you are going to subtract this amount and you are going to get this amount. Okay. This amount is to be shared in the profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2:1. Okay. For A, 3,60,000 into 3 upon 6. Then for B, 3,60,000 into 2 upon 6. Then for C, 3,60,000 into 1 upon 6. Okay. In that also, what you are going to do? What he is saying that B, in no case, they are saying that C share should not be less than 1 lakh. Okay. So C share is coming less. It is coming 60,000. So you are going to add to 40,000. Then it will become 1 lakh. And what are they saying? A has personally guaranteed that C share should not be less than 1 lakh. So only A is going to bear it. Earlier what we have done, we have shown if both the remaining partners are bearing them, then what we are going to do. But in this case, only A will bear it. Okay. B will not bear it. So this 40,000 will be added over here and this 40,000 will be subtracted over here. So the profit that will be shown over here, the total amount will be 3,60,000 only. But it will not be shown as 1,80,000, 120 or 60,000. It will be shown as 1,40,000. From 180 you will subtract this 40,000. It will come as 1,40,000. Then for B, it will remain the same 1,20,000 only. Okay. And for C, it will become 60,000 plus 40,000. That will become 1 lakh. That is the minimum amount that C shall get in any of the cases. So we have shown you how to prepare, do the interest on drawing also, how to do the working note regarding this, then how to prepare the P&L appropriation account also. So these are the types of questions which are being covered in this chapter. You are going to solve the questions which I have shown you, practice them well and prepare the notes regarding these. Now we are going to solve this question which I have already shown you. You take care and goodbye children.